Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Hypothermia, chapter 10. So here it is. Let's read the story. Rulin, right now, she was suddenly looking at her. Well, she keeps staring. Could it be that she was planning something or she was going to punish her for breaking her promise? It's just a fraud from the last movie and it won't be used on you. Rulin said to her. So it turns out she really wanted to scare on her. Well, definitely. Our little Chinchinilia. She's really getting scared about this. The arrogance was really stingish. Well, definitely she was sighting. But Rulin said, say it. Could it be that she's wanting or she want to tell her something? Well, this girl, she's really getting tricky. The boss seems. Why do you want to break the agreement between us? Rulin said to her. Well, definitely. Our little Chinchinilia surely feels something, or I just drank too much and forgot the time. Oh, it turns out she was not going to leave her, but instead she was drunk, and also she's not intended to. But Rulin said, only, it seems that don't forget the contract we signed. So it seems that until now, Rulin, she was trying to possess her, but of course, you. So what if I did it on purpose? So it turns out she was testing her about her limits and so on. Could it be that? It's clearly stated in our contract that you will not only have to pay me the maintenance fee but also provide me with the film resources. Now, which one did you give me? Well, it seems that she was going to trick her, but so I want to terminate the contract with you. So that's all her reason. That's why she wanted to leave her. Well, it seems that Rulin, she's really getting angry and said, Shen Yusing. Now she was calling her name in full. Could it be that she's really getting angry? Recently, she has been fighting with the investors for the film schedule or discussing the outline with the screenwriter just to tailor a most suitable role for her. So it seems that she was doing her work, but instead, it's really getting delayed. She actually turned the tables. So it turns out, still, she's not telling her. Do you know that it takes a lot of effort to make a movie? Do you know how many people out there are trying their best to come to my place and be an insignificant decoration? Rulin said to her, why should I give it to you? Well, definitely, she's really getting impatient. Yes, since he also says that I'm not worthy of your movie, then let's part ways amicably. Well, is she going to really leave her, huh? Let's part ways in peace. So, you're naive, Roland said to her. Now, makes sense. Don't forget, I'm the party A. If you are party B, take the initiative to terminate the contract. We'll have to pay liquidated damage. Well, it turns out the contract, it's really getting tricky. What are you doing? Michelle, she was calling Rulin, but we know that Rulin, she will not back down about this. Of course, she will really fight for her. Come over, Rulin said to her. Well, what do you think? Is she going to punish her? Well, probably it is, but Rulin, she is really getting tricky. Seeing that Rulin is really getting angry, well, finally, our little Chinchinilia, right now, she got really serious. She keeps silent and only she keeps staring on hers, moving forward close to Rulin. She keeps staring on hers. Well, what do you think? What will Rulin's going to do to her? Well, definitely, she was trying to trick her. The penalty for breach of contract is a lot. Can you afford it? Almost by her. Well, after hearing that, well, Shen, what is she going to do? I can afford it. I'm giving it to you. Isn't it just the money? I have plenty of it. Well, it turns out she was ready, but is she really going to leave her? Now, Rulin, she was sighing and also she's really smiling, like a fox. Could it be that she's really planning something? Well, this is really getting tricky. But moreover, Rulin, she grabbed her and said, "Don't you think you're too oversimplifying all this?" Rulin, now she was pulling her hand. Well, what is she going to do now? Patient, do you think you can call me if you don't need money for the time being? In fact, your weaknesses are increasing. Rulin said to her. So it turns out, Rulin, she know everything about her, especially, what do you mean? Now, Shen, she keep asking Rulin about this, but of course, she know to herself that she's been locked to. Also, the tensions give you the money. Do you really think that she can be your fucker? Well, Rulin, she kept reminding her that, of course, maybe she's getting used by others. What do you want? Now, makes sense. Shen, she keeps staring on Rollins, but she knows to herself that she can really win this time. Well, what do you think? What do you want? Now, makes sense. Rollin, she loses her hand, and finally, is she going to let her go? Well, definitely. There's a thing that there's going to be a commotion for this. But now, Rulin, it seems that she was untying her photon. It's very simple. What do you think? What is she going to ask for? All you have to do is to make me happy. Not only can provide me with a film resource, but I can also invest in the Yumeng Treasure in the name of the company and support it again. Oh, after hearing that condition, it seems that it was really tempting for her. Well, are you serious? Shen said to her. I won't tell lies in front of you. Rulin said to her. Makes sense. What do you think? Is she going to dress her? You can think about it carefully, Rulin said to her. But it seems that now, is she really going to trick her? Should you pay penalty and terminate the contract with me, or fleece me and get money, fame, profit, and investment? Oh, these terms and condition, it's really getting crazy. What should I do? Should I fleece her or just leave? Now, makes sense. There's a lot of things are bothering on her head. Well, let's solve. The two of them are really get fine. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Afisha Felai. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is only open for those who want to support. You can support by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-fi. Thank you, bye.